Are you looking for an apartment design? What features should every apartment building have in order to improve its appeal to the majority of tenants while keeping it relatively low cost to construct and maintain? Welcome to the DPRO Featured Design series. Hello. My name is Akello, and today we are looking at an adaptable, reconfigurable apartment design that can accommodate 3 to 9 apartments depending on your chosen configuration. To create the Accra 6, we took 2 of our popular designs. The single-bedroom 10-apartment block and the double-bedroom 12-apartment block. Combined them onto a smaller plot of land and added a triple-bedroom penthouse. We created a semi-luxury rental residential building that is affordable for the average investor or developer. This block sits on a 57 by 100 foot lot, or 17 meters wide and 30 meters long. The plan is ideal for both landscape and portrait orientations of a plot. The building is elevated above the ground, which holds 9 parking slots. Each parking slot is deep enough to accommodate 2 vehicles. It features an elevated 90 square meters grass-planted terrace. With enhanced safety and privacy. Straight stairs with intermediate landings, making them ideal for the very young and very old occupants. A lift adds disability and mobility-friendly access to the building. This also future-proofs your building for any changes to the construction requirements in your area. For the apartment layouts, there are several configurations to choose from. This will allow you to configure the apartment building to your target market and location needs. There are 3 layouts to choose from. A choice of 9 single-room apartments, or 6 double-room apartments, or 3 triple-room apartments. Or a mixed combination of the above. In this week's featured design, the block includes 3 single-room apartments on the first floor, 2 double-room apartments on the second floor, and a triple-room penthouse on the top floor. The roof can be constructed as a flat roof to accommodate the water reserve tanks and solar panels. Alternatively, the roof can be a covered hipped or pitched roof together with gutters and drain pipes. All apartments are accessed through a balcony at the back of the building. This is designed to enhance privacy for the apartments. And for the triple-bedroom penthouse, this space is used as a private outdoor balcony. Each penthouse bedroom has access to these partially covered balconies with privacy and temperature-controlling screens. The balconies are large enough for seats and potted plants. The single-bedroom apartment is 47 square meters. It has a 14 square meter living room, a functional kitchen, a private balcony, a bedroom large enough for a working den, ideal for those who wish to work remotely, and a bathroom. We gave the bathroom access through the corridor so that even guests to this apartment can use it. The door to the bedroom and bathroom are cleverly placed right next to each other. This makes it super convenient for the tenants. The double-bedroom apartment is 75 square meters. This apartment comes with a larger living room compared to the single-bedroom apartment. It also includes a fully functional kitchen, a front private balcony, two large bedrooms. The larger 17 square meters bedroom has a private bathroom. This is ideal for a master bedroom. The smaller 12 square meters uses the bathroom that is off the corridor. The triple-bedroom apartment, the penthouse in this case, is 165 square meter. The penthouse comes with a larger living room that is in an open-plan layout with a dining and kitchen area. The narrow open-plan layout is served by 3 large sliding doors and 2 broad windows. This brings the outside in, making it look more spacious, comfortable, and luxurious. These large sliding doors access a full-span balcony along the living room, dining, and kitchen area. This covered balcony is broken up into smaller areas. This includes a cooking area with space for a barbecue, an outdoor dining area, and a comfortable outdoor living area for those hot summer days. The living room has a cozy nook attached to it for a quiet reading. There are 2 doors leading to the 12 square meter bedrooms and private balconies. One door leads from the dining room into a corridor giving access to 2 bedrooms, a shared bathroom, and a private covered balcony. The other door from the kitchen leads to the master bedroom, a 17 square meter bedroom. With a reading desk, a private bathroom, and a private balcony. Given that all apartment layouts, irrespective of the number of rooms, follows the same design layout, the apartments are interchangeable and hence reconfigurable with minimal construction work. This feature will enable any owner adapt the building design to fit any changes in the needs of the target tenants. Click to watch the full tour video of this apartment on our YouTube channel. If you have been, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to get more construction information, then make sure you subscribe to the DPRO.design channel.